Right, welcome guys. We're going to do a unboxing video today. We've got a new PC case, HS 420. This is a mid-tower case. Got just a knife to open it. We've got processor, RAM and the motherboard. We're going to unbox. I'll do a separate video of actually building it, but we're just going to unbox everything. So we'll just start from the top. I've already started. I'm hoping that my GoPro captures this. I'm wearing it on my head. It's the only thing I could think of. Wait, we got to watch out this blade. Put it in this over it. So yeah, we got the HS 420 HAVN case, premium case. Got it on Amazon. This is the last bit I had to wait for. I'm going to use some parts out my other PC, the power supply and storage and things like that, but I've got the main parts here. Also going to use the GPU from that one. So open that. That opens up, put that back in there. We got a little note here. If you want to pause and read that, maybe, I don't know. QR code. Scan it to stay informed about upcoming events. So that's kind of like a nice welcome note, I guess. Start here. Just pull this up. Alright, we've got accessories. Put that to one side. Okay. Lots of foam. More recycling. What else have we got? The actual case. Alright, have I opened this upside down? I have no idea. Yeah, I think I have. I can lift it. There we go. Lift it out. Oh, it's heavy. It's fairly heavy. I'll give you a better view in a minute. Let's just take the rubbish out. That's rubbish. More rubbish in there. But it has been packed with a lot of this foam. I don't know how sturdy that is or will protect it, but the case is tempered glass. So this is upside down at the moment. It's carefully flip it. I say carefully. Oh, okay. Here we go. Screw it back. So we've got, here's the case. Just put that over that. So we've got tempered glass. I don't know if you can see that. So you can see me and the GoPro. Warning, watch your hands and fingers. Fragile. Handle with care. So what have we got? So we can pull this open. Nice. So we've got space to mount coolers at the top. We've got some bits at the side there. But yeah, this is very heavy. Let me just move this. What's this? Looks like we can peel something off here. Yep. Peel this off. I don't know how. Some way to peel this off. I don't know. That should come off, but as you can see, it's got a nice finish to it. Plenty of space in there. I can't seem to get this bit off. There we go. So this just peels off. Very satisfying. I will put all the rubbish in the box. More rubbish. So yeah, this is the case that I'll be building in. Grip here when removing panel. So yeah, I'm gonna have to handle this with care. It's glass. I don't know how the panel comes off, but we'll look at that in another video. But yeah, that is the PC case. Okay, right, let's open up the smaller bits now. So we got the RAM, DDR5 RAM. We'll put that on top there, it'll be alright. Then we've got the CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, AM5 8-core 16-thread processor. So this is the CPU we're working with. Let me just nip this off here with the knife. Watch my hands. Don't really need to unbox this right now, but I'll show you guys anyway. So we do get QR code, red team. There is the processor. I'm not going to open it entirely up, but we've got a sticker, put it on the case, all good stuff. Put that on top of that. Then we got the motherboard. Now I'm not going to handle this too much, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. So we've got anti-static, so shouldn't really be doing this on a carpet, but oh well. Yeah, we got the motherboard there. So these are the parts. Let me put this away. So we've got the case accessories, RAM, processor, and then the actual case itself. It's very smart. It's got it's got two USBs, USB-C at the top. Well, I don't know what that is, aux cable. And yeah, it just pops off. I don't know how you're supposed to carry it. I don't know how you're supposed to remove the panel. But that is the case. It's very heavy. You can't lift it from there. But yeah, it's very smart. So that's what we're going to be building in. I'm not sure how to take this off. I'll find a way. Cool, so they're all the bits I'm going to be building with. Going to do a separate video on that. But I thought I'd do a kind of an unboxing of the new parts. As I said, I've got to take some parts out of my other PC. Power supply, storage. So they've got like little storage bits at the back. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it's a big old case to work in. And I'll do a separate video on that. Hopefully the GoPro has picked up this footage alright. Alright. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you want to see the full build. I'll get it done. I'm not sure if I can do a time lapse or something, but yeah, it should be interesting. And look, there is a HAVN. There's gonna be little stickers to remove here and there. But yeah. Peace out guys. Catch you in the next one.